Hi viewers, welcome back to another episode of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. Today we're gonna go on a food tour with Vallarta Eats. We'll go on their signature taco tour that will take us to the secret taco spots of the town and will show us how the locals eat around here. So let's go start the tour. We are here at the meeting spot. We came a little early, so we're gonna go explore the east side of Isla Cuale before our tour starts.
Right here.
So we made our tour guide pass at the meeting point, and now we are on our way to our first stop of the taco tour.
And it's called Ricky. It's family owned and operated. It's been here for over 40 years, inherited from the family before him. This is Eric and Diana, husband and wife, they run it now. And the specialty here, what we're gonna have is birria. That is a traditional stew from this state of Jalisco. Every time you see a clay pot like this, it's traditional for birria. And it's a morning exclusive preparation. This is a terrific hangover here in this. A bunch of jalapenos with oil so it emulsifies and becomes that. It's super soft, has an amazing texture. Might be one of my favorite salsas from the whole tour. This one is a salsa roja, red salsa, with boiled tomatoes instead of roasted, so it has a more liquid consistency. It's not really spicy. Whole serranos in case you're afraid enough to just bite into it, and lime that I would recommend. That's what you had. They also have pork birria. It's up in this big copper pot. When it's about to be ready, they turn on the fire a little bit so it can crisp from the outside. The presentation is always like this, a glass bar with a heat lamp, keep it hot, and you can choose between like the green version and the other but it's just the meat, or add with a little bit of the skin that adds extra moisture and more flavor. And it's super soft. They serve it in the corn tortilla. We get to go inside, go check out the oven and see where the magic happens. Start working like really early in the morning. They make all kinds of bread, sweet and savory, and more than 5,000 pieces of bread every day. Would you like to big supplier? Yeah, for the neighborhood, for market, for a bunch of people. You've probably seen some guys with a basket like that over their heads, like in the street, doing some kind of jingle. Yeah, they're distributors too. Yeah, they have all kinds of stuff. Just the buying part of you. Feel free to go and take a look inside if you like. They have some stuff to make for you. Is their fish taco. It's gonna be a fresh piece of mahi-mahi. It's gonna be buttered with their amazing secret recipe butter. They won't tell us what it is. Deep fried, served in a handmade corn tortilla, which makes the whole difference. And it's gonna be topped. It's called Agua de Jamaica. It's a hibiscus iced tea. They have the blue.
Iced tea, okay.
They boil it with water and sugar, but in this case they also added chia seeds.
Chia seeds.
A lot of drinks have chia seeds here because it helps you like lock in the water.
Gracias.
So the tomato being roasted in the grill has a thicker consistency and a smokier flavor. And this is blended all together. Then we have salsa mexicana. You may know it as pico de gallo maybe, but it's not how they call it around here.
Oh, okay.
It has all colors of the Mexican flag, tomato, cilantro, onion, but in this case they added cucumber that makes it more refreshing and bits of serrano, so it's a bit spicy. And here we have a creamy version of guacamole. Avocado, a little bit of lime juice, that's that, not spicy at all. Salsa huichol, that is like special for seafood, and in this case they put pickled onions in this one. Well, be careful with your taco because it just came out of the grill, it's gonna be hot.
Made it and put it here so that they stay hot.
This is probably from a restaurant or something. They're gonna come pick it up.
Oh, okay, okay.
So they are like well accommodated. Grab it, weigh it, pack it. Good to know. So this is the original market building.
Oh, okay.
Now things are sold everywhere, but this was like the first one.
Ah, okay.
It doesn't look as lively nowadays because there's Costco. Something that is so good will give you a better price for it.
Oh, okay.
This is tamarindo. Tamarind? Are you familiar with it?
Yeah.
It's very popular for agua frescas too.
Oh, okay. Oh, chilies.
This is very important for the cooking. They're the base for a lot of the things that we've been eating. This one is the chile guajillo. It's flavorful, but it's not really spicy.
Oh, okay.
The birria broth has this. It gives a bright, like red color. Is the chipotle. It's the smoked and dried version of the jalapeno. It's kind of confusing that they have different names for fresh and the dry state. It took me a while to figure that out. This one is chile de árbol. It's very spicy. Yeah, you can see
the seeds inside.
rattle pepper. The seeds like that. And this one is the chile ancho. Is the dried version of the poblano, the one they use for the chile relleno.
Oh, yeah. We had that. Yeah.
They're not really spicy. Like 1 in 25 can be spicy. You never know until you get that bite. This one is the rat-tailed pepper. Kind of resembles a rat-tail. And this is the hibiscus blooms for the red drink that we just had.
Okay.
See the flowers? See the color?
Yeah.
Yeah, they boil it with sugar so it gets that. So the corn husks for tamales. You know what tamales are?
Yeah. This is also kind of. These are the same kinds, I guess, right?
No, they're different. I don't remember.
Different chilies.
This one is chile morita. It's very smoky. I like the smell of it. Halloween coming up in a lot of foreigner community. There's a bunch of pumpkins around. Here are the guavas, the first two drinks we had.
Yeah.
That's the green tomatillo for the green salsa. Jalapeños, serranos. Or the ghost pepper, but those are cheetahs. They've been engineered to be that. Naturally, this is the spiciest one. Things are called chayote. It's like a mix between potato and zucchini. We use it a lot for stew. Soup is like a quick baby food. Boil it, smash it. And there's the spiny kind also. Super sweet. This one they're called pear banana. They are kind of a mix between regular and plantain, but you can eat it raw. This one you need to cook it somehow. This one you can wait until it's ripe and then have it. Avocados that are huge, even bigger ones over there. The Nahuatl, like the native word for it, is aguacate. Aguacatl, that means testicle of the gods. want us to come in? Yeah, yeah. You can go outside to the terrace. It has a smoky flavor, and it has like an aftertaste. Like you won't feel it at first, but a couple seconds later, it's like, okay. Not terribly spicy, but I mean, you have to judge that. Then this one again is like the jalapeno, homemade jalapeno mayonnaise, the one we have. This one has a lighter color, easier to distinguish between the guacamole. And this one is habanero based. You can see the seeds, so it's kind of spicy. It has garlic.
So which one is spicy? This one or this?
This one is spicier than this one and this one. Okay guys, welcome to La Original, the original. This is an Agua Fresca stand. And then family owned and operated. Original from Sonora, and they've been here for about, they've been here for ¿Cómo están?
Bien, bien, gracias.
Qué bueno.
So guys, after the amazing and filling food walk, we are on our way to the airport to fly back to Phoenix. I want to give a big shout out to our excellent tour guide Paz. I hope you enjoyed the tour as well. Please check the description box below to see a list of all the places we've been to in this food walk. Don't forget to tune in for my next video. Until then, take care and goodbye.